Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed pasta. We'll go through everything you need to know to create a truly delightful dish. First, we'll cover selecting the right pasta and gathering your ingredients. Then, I'll walk you through the simple steps of cooking both the pasta and a rich, flavorful sauce. Finally, we'll discuss how to bring it all together for a satisfying meal, along with some fun variations. Choosing your pasta is the first step. Aim for shapes that cook in about 8 to 12 minutes for consistency. For a creamy mixed sauce, you'll need half a tablespoon of butter and olive oil, 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and 1 sliced shallot. Don't forget about 2/3 cup of red sauce, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and 3 tablespoons of white sauce. Fresh herbs like basil and parsley, along with 10 to 12 ounces of your chosen pasta, will complete your ingredient list. Invisible Woman's force fields offer both protection and powerful crowd control. Deploy Guardian Shield on an ally to block damage and provide healing. It has 300 health. Her Psionic Vortex creates a singularity that pulls enemies in, dealing 140 damage over 4 seconds. For battlefield manipulation, use force physics to either push foes away or pull them closer, affecting targets up to 30 meters away and dealing 55 damage. Your delicious mixed pasta is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh basil or parsley, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of grated mozzarella or Parmesan cheese. Feel free to get creative with your additions. Sautéed mushrooms, bell peppers, or spinach can add wonderful flavor and nutrients. For a more substantial dish, consider adding cooked chicken, sausage, or even some lentils. The possibilities are truly endless for customizing your perfect mixed pasta creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.